Yeah, hi Daniel, it's Mark at FMAV, just to let you know that I've done your laser for you and everything is working as it should be. I'm just going to push play on there. Yeah, so basically what I've done is I've taken it all apart for you. I've given it a good clean. I've cleaned the cogs. Okay, so the cogs are all nice and clean now, they move freely. I checked the micro switch for you, that's all good. The laser, I'll put another laser in there for you, and that's all working as it should be. So I'll just turn the music up for you. You can hear that spinning now. I'm going to go up a track. I'm going to go up another track. I'm going to go up a few tracks. And you can hear that. You can hear it playing there. So I'm just going to turn it down. So yeah, so basically that's all done for you. You got a 6-month warranty on the part and my labour for that. You know, I don't think you're going to have any issues with it, to be honest with you, because it's quite a clean condition part. So I'm going to get that in the post for you today, and I'm really grateful for everything, you know, for you sending it down to me, and your business. I really do appreciate it in these hard times. So I hope you guys are safe and you're looking after yourselves, and you have a great Christmas and a New Year. And yeah, I've wiped, I wipe everything down as well. So yeah, everything's safe, or best as it's safe as it is. So take care. Thanks, Dan. Really appreciate your business. You have a great day.